Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is actually an update video on my previous video titled How to Download Facebook Data on iPhone and Android mobile devices. It's only been just a few months, not very long since I created that video, but Facebook has recently changed the way you download your Facebook data. So I figured I'd go ahead and make another video on how to do this. The other one's still up. I think it still works on like desktop devices, those steps, but this one's for mobile. Instead of using the browser, you'll now be able to do it directly from the app. So I have the Facebook app up here. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu, which is the three horizontal lines in the top right, just under your messages. Once you tap there, it looks like it's already scrolled to the bottom, but it's going to start you up here. You just scroll all the way down to the bottom. I had some menus already open. So it's going to start, it's going to look like this after you tap on the three horizontal lines. Then you can scroll all the way to the bottom. Go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy just above Logout. After you tap on Settings and Privacy, you'll tap on Settings. Once you tap on Settings, you'll scroll on down which there are actually quite a few settings that you might want to look over in here too. But you scroll down, and in the app itself that says download your information. This previously wasn't available. And it reads out, download a copy of your information to keep or to transfer to another service. I don't know if there are any services currently, any services that you can transfer over to, but there might be that some that come up in the future, or there could be some already available, just none that I know of currently. So if you read this off, it says you can download a copy of your Facebook information at any time. You can download all of it at once, or you can select. So it goes through that, and then it says you can choose to receive your information in an HTML format that's easy to view, or a JSON format, which could allow other services. So the one that, if you want to view it yourself, you want the HTML format. HTML format stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is actually what web browsers use, is what Safari and what Chrome uses to it's actually the language that's behind a website to display it. I mean, there's other coding languages out there that websites use, but it's a basic language for websites. So it'll bring up basically a web page looking page that you can view and read yourself. JSON is more of a machine readable format, and that's so you can transfer it over to other services, basically. So you want to get the HTML format. It does say that it's a password protected, so you'll have to enter your password. And it says that now it'll be available for download for a few days. So you would scroll on down here, and if you only want certain things, like a few information, so you can get posts, photos, videos, comments, likes, reactions. It's pretty much everything that's on your in your Facebook account. If you only want, see, that's quite a bit of stuff. If you only want a few of those, like if maybe you don't want to download all your pictures, want your pictures, something like that, go ahead and tap deselect all over here on the right, and then just scroll down and only select the ones that you actually want to download. See how I'm selecting them on the right? That way it's probably going to be a sizable file. Like I said in the last video, mine was, I think it ended up being 500 megabytes or something like that. So and then you have to unzip it, so it ends up being a little over a gigabyte of information once you get it unzipped. Of course, you can delete the zipped part, but anyway, So that is the new way to get your Facebook Android, mobile devices, rather than the last step. So once again, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, or give the video a like if you enjoyed it. I just post videos from time to time, just with some information on how to do things as people ask how to do them, or as as I learn things. Or the reason I posted this one is because the big Facebook fiasco with people's personal information was in the news at the time. So once again, thanks for watching.